Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.8. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are expected. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 24% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 36% to negative 18%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of around 15.64%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 78.75% and positive 104.69% over the next year. This means that the anticipated future price could fall somewhere between $3.93 and $37.87. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group features the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock upgraded from a sell candidate to a buy candidate after the trading session on Friday. The stock price of Trump Media and Technology Group Corp increased by 4.99% on the most recent trading day, rising from $17.62 to $18.50. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.93%, with a low of $17.65 and a high of $18.52. This price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 9.34% gain over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. A total of 3 million more shares were traded than the previous day. Overall, 8 million shares changed hands for approximately $142,890,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price stands at 66.17%, or $36.18, below the 52-week high, and 76.69%, or $60.88, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media is shifting its focus from social media to cryptocurrency and streaming services. Recently, the company submitted an amended S-1 registration statement with the Securities and Exchange Commission for a Truth Social Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, which will be managed by Crypto.com and is expected to launch later this year. Additionally, its second quarter disclosures reveal that the company has accumulated over $3 billion in financial assets, boasting one of the largest Bitcoin treasuries among publicly traded firms. Simultaneously, Truth Plus has broadened its content offerings by collaborating with GB News and Great American Media catalogs, while the firm has initiated public beta testing of an artificial intelligence search feature. However, there are challenges ahead. The core revenue for the second quarter remains minimal, and operating losses continue to be an issue, compounded by CEO Devin Nunes losing a defamation lawsuit. In the short term, the filing for the ETF and the substantial Bitcoin holdings could stimulate speculative interest and trading volume, potentially leading to price surges linked to cryptocurrency news and Bitcoin fluctuations. While positive developments in products might enhance sentiment, the underlying weak revenue and ongoing legal challenges restrict the potential for sustainable growth. Looking ahead, a successful ETF, along with recurring streaming and fintech products, could lead to a reassessment of the company's value in the cryptocurrency and financial services market. However, Risks related to execution, regulatory scrutiny, and Bitcoin's inherent volatility suggest that significant downside risks remain if market adoption or conditions do not meet expectations. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During downward corrections, some support is expected at levels of $17.56 and $18.17. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was established from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 6, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 13.85%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is reached. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence Sell Signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 130 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 125 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $18.21. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 87 cents between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 4.93%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio indicates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio suggests that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and could signal risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $18.21. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On 2025-08-06, Glabe Scott conducted an insider buy of 142396 shares of common stock, par value 0.0001 per share. On 2025-08-06, Glabe Scott conducted an insider sell of 1351 shares of common stock. Par value 1.0001 per share. On 2025-08-06, Novatsky Vladimir conducted an insider buy of 142396 shares of common stock, par value 0.001 per share. On 2025-08-06, Novatsky Vladimir conducted an insider sell of 1,820 shares of common stock, par value 0.001 per share. On 2025-08-06, Johann Philipp conducted an insider buy of 142396 shares of common stock, par value 0.001 per share. Based on the 77 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 19.810. Overall, insiders purchased 226,953,307 shares and sold 116,045,810 shares in the last 77 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.75, which represents a decline of 4.06%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators show promise. Although the stock is currently on a downward trend, we believe this level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our analysis from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and activities from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of August, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 277 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $18.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.